In this last video, we're going to look at how a single item can belong to two different things. So in this case, a task could belong to a user, but also belong to a team. So let's go over to our data here. And this is going to be really similar to what we had done in the last video. All we really need to do, now that we have this second pathway defined, we just set a task to belong to a team in this GSI1. So let's go to edit this, and we have our task here, which belongs to a user, but it can also belong to, for example, team 1, 2, 3, 4, and perhaps this second task belongs to team 1, 2, 3, 5. So let's save that. So now if we go and look at our aggregate view, so nothing has changed here. We haven't changed anything on the PK and SK, so all the pathways are the same here in terms of tasks. These two tasks belong to this one user. But if we flip our perspective and look at this data from the GSI1 perspective, we can see that this task belongs to team 1, or sorry, this team here, and task 2 belongs to the second team. And so we could query these tasks based on what user they belong to or what team they belong to. So let's see how that would look in our DynamoDB table here. So this is all the same from before. What I'm going to do is run a script that basically adds a GSI to the three tasks we have defined. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to node make. Sorry, I'm in the wrong file here. So let's do for node make. Okay, let's check that out. Okay, so now we have our tasks belonging to different teams and also belonging to users. And so how would that look in terms of querying it? So if we go to get users, I'm just going to query the PK, everything that has a user 1, 2, 3, 4 and begins with task. So let's just see all the tasks that belong to, what is that called? User. So we can see all the tasks that belong to that one user. And if we want to query the tasks from the other angle, from the other perspective, if we go to get teams, it's the exact same thing, but instead of querying on the PK, I'm querying on the GSI1 and I'm specifying the index here. So in this case, I'm looking for all the tasks that belong to team 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's make that same query from the team perspective. And there we go. We're getting all the tasks that belong to that single team. So that is how you can organize your data to facilitate all these different querying and access patterns. So I hope this series was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.